to write down the slides, like write down the information. So I'll be very slow with it so that you have ample time. And also, in case you have any question, please feel free to drop a question in the chat box so that I can read it and answer it. So, human face is an organic seat of beauty. It is a register of value and development, a record of experience, and a liable language, and all that we already know. Starting with the contents, हम क्या क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? इंट्रो पढ़ने वाले हैं, नर्व की एनाटमी तो आपने पढ़ी ही होगी, मैं ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगाऊंगी इसमें. फेशियल नर्व की एनाटमी आई सपोज यू ऑलरेडी नो इट, तो इसमें भी बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगाऊंगी. फेशियल पैरालिसिस क्या होता है, क्लासिफिकेशन क्या रहती है, ईटियोलॉजी क्या है, बेल्स पाल्सी क्या है, सर्जिकल ट्रीटमेंट क्या है. आओ पढ़ते हैं, स्टार्ट करते हैं. फेशियल फंक्शन प्लेज एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट इन आवर एवरीडे लाइफ. स्माइल, नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन, मतलब it is a medium how we express ourselves to other people. Facial paralysis is devastating on many levels. So when a person is going through facial paralysis, we should understand it is not only a functional disability and not only a cosmetic disability, it is a psychological disability also. And thankfully over these years we as scientists, like all doctors like you and me, are able to find out a lot of treatment options that are available to treat such cases. Moving on, ये important है. अब ये एक्सन है जो कि इनर मोस्ट लेयर है, उसके बाद ये ऊपर ये श्वान सेल है. ठीक है, अब जो नर्व फाइबर के कंपोनेंट्स हैं ये समझते हैं कि इसी के बेसिस पे इंजरी क्लासिफाइड है. सो एंडोन्यूरियम is the surrounding of each axon is endoneurium, the innermost. Okay, and it is directly adherent to Schwann cell, and it is very important for regeneration. What is perineurium? Perineurium is the lining over the endoneurial tubules. जैसे इसमें दिख रहा है endoneurial के ऊपर is perineurium, and it gives a tensile strength, and it is also a barrier to infection. And what is epineurium then? Epineurium is the outermost layer, and it houses vasa nervosum for nutrition. It houses the layer that gives nutrition to the nerve. So vasa nervosum is these are small arteries that supply to the nerve, and they supply with the blood vessels. They supply with small blood supply, and therefore provides nutrition to the nerve. Moving on, I hope you have written. In case you have not written, please stop me. I will wait. Important thing is you should have all the information. nerve injury क्या रहती है? दो क्लासिफिकेशन है जो मोस्ट कॉमनली इस्तेमाल होती है फॉर नर्व इंजरी. पहली है सेडन क्लासिफिकेशन. इसमें तीन होते हैं, न्यूरोप्लैक्सिया, एक्सोनोटमेसिस एंड न्यूरोटमेसिस. ठीक है, न्यूरोप्लैक्सिया क्या होता है? न्यूरोप्लैक्सिया हैपेंस बिकॉज ऑफ स्ट्रेचिंग forces that happen. stretching forces during third molar surgery, or placing of implants, or tumor resection, yeah, periosteal stripping, yeah, even because of trauma. So in this, transient anoxia is there. And why is it happening? Because epineurial या फिर endoneurial vessels का interruption रहता है. And this is a very mild nerve manipulation. And from 3 to 6 months, it gets healed up. What is anoxia? So when vessels are disrupted, the oxygen supply to the nerve is absent for a very brief second, maybe for few microseconds. That leads to this injury. So the second one is axonotmesis. In this, the damage occurs through the endoneurium, and there is disorganization of the axon. In this there are like may or may not. It might recover, may or may not, and it may take from a few weeks to a couple of months to recover. The last is neurotmesis. In this, there is complete transaction of the nerve. Nerve कट जाता है. Epinural discontinuity होती है. And spontaneous तो भूल ही जाओ. Even if it happens within 1 year, so it will be great. It does not happen over a period of 1 year also, and most commonly it requires secondary procedures such as nerve grafting.